Welcome back to another episode of Making Gains. Today is National Chest Day. It's a Monday. Don't know when I upload this. Probably on Monday. But National Chest Day. Let me get myself right. We just got finished. Well, my high was 315, I believe. I think I repped 4 times. So after we worked our way down, it's now time for these fatality sets. So I'm at 225. You want to stay at your weight. I'm a little heavier than 225, but that's neither here nor there. So like I said, I'm exhausted from, just chest workout. Like I obliterated my chest. So I'm working it out. I'm getting it in. So this is like my, my finisher set. And I don't know how many I did, but I did the most I can do at 225 right now. Like I said, bro, we've been doing chest for like 25 minutes by the time this part happened. So now you get down there and you do the push-ups. You do as many as you can do. I probably got around like 8 in me, 8 push-ups. Probably did more. I don't know. I'm not counting. I'm just enjoying the view. All right. Now we get up and we take a 30-second break. Right. We do not want to sit down. We want to keep that heart rate going. We want to keep them steps going. We want everything to keep working. You want to check those weights to make sure that they're tight on the bar. You don't want them clanging and banging. You don't want them about to fall off. Now what you guys are about to see is a complete drop off, like a real big fall off. Why? Because the 30 seconds really wasn't enough time to recoup, which is the goal. You want to keep your heart rate up and you want to just keep challenging yourself. I just struggled to get 225 up, and that's not like me. Look at me struggling. 1, 2. Come on, give me one more. 3. Ooh, wait, 3. 225. You weak. You soft. Then you get down immediately and you give them as many as you can give them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all I got. It's killing me, Smalls. Then, boom, 30-second break. 30-second break. I can't wait to get this last set over. I think, if I recall, I'm going to struggle tremendously on this last set because I'm exhausted. I'm done. But that's what you do, man. You want to make gains. You want to push yourself, and you want to do something, each week to allow you to have more gains. All right. So my 30 seconds is up, and let's go. Come on. Stop playing. Grab that weight. Get busy, sir. Come on. We're waiting on you, champ. Let's go. Show us what you got. He's scared. Come on. Boom. Struggling. It's always the left arm. Boom. Get that thing up there. Ooh, struggle. Oh, I did more than 1. I thought I did 1. Boom. 2. That's all I got. Now I'm about to finish this off with a push-up. Hey, man, try this when you go to the gym. Try it or don't try it. Don't matter to me.